3 seconds. The Honorable Court convened this morning to hear the final arguments in this significant matter of Chaudhary versus the Municipal Corporation of Delhi MCD. This case hinges upon the interpretation of Section 14 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894, especially concerning the process of notification and subsequent acquisition of privately held property for public works. The petitioner, Mr. Satpal Chaudhary, has consistently maintained that the preliminary notification issued by the MCD on January 15, 2025 was fundamentally flawed on two counts. Firstly, the legal description of the land parcels intended for the construction of the new flyover was vague and ambiguous, rendering it difficult for the registered owners to definitively ascertain the precise extent of the proposed takeover. Secondly, and perhaps more crucially, the council argued that the mandated public hearing and consultative process designed to allow affected parties to present their grievances and alternative proposals was nothing more than a perfunctory exercise. Affidavits submitted by several landowners detail that the notice for the hearing was published in an obscure local newspaper with limited circulation, thereby failing to meet the criterion of due public notice. Contesting these submissions, the counsel for the MCD senior advocate Sharma strongly asserted that the corporation had adhered to the statutory procedure with meticulous care. He presented documentary evidence, including the official gazette publication and a signed compliance report, to show that the requirements under the Act were strictly fulfilled. He emphasized the doctrine of public interest, stating that the infrastructure project is vital for easing chronic traffic congestion in the city's western sector, and any further delay would impose substantial economic detriment on the general public. Advocate Sharma maintained the MCD strictly followed statutory procedures and presented documentary proof. He argued the project is vital for public interest to ease traffic congestion, and that the 7-month delay in challenging the acquisition showed a lack of due diligence. The court reserved judgment to examine precedents.